Hello everyone, today I'll be making a helpful video for those whose battery drains quickly, half likely. I'll show you one of the system services that's been running constantly, no cost uninterrupted since you bought your phone. And it runs from morning until night, even if you don't use it, and perhaps never will. So watch the video to the end, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. So look this. Bestseller is the System Print service. It's a service that constantly searches for printers, and unfortunately, it's enabled on every phone, every Android phone, It's constantly searching for them. These days, printers mostly have built-in Wi-Fi and some Bluetooth, and this feature works in tandem with sharing with the surrounding environment. Basically, it's for those who have Wi-Fi enabled printers at home, and if you print photos, trees, ducks, and so on from your phone, then this feature is essential. But if you don't even have a printer at home, then this feature is truly useless, and it's slowly eating up your battery burrito. So do 5 waste batteries on an incomprehensible feature that searches for these printers and devices all day long. So we'll disable it now. Look what you need to do. Let's exit these settings for now. I'll show you how to access them now. We need to use the Google Play Store. Go to your avatar on the right. At the bottom, look for help/review. This menu will load. Click search for help. Type uninstall at the top. Find the line how to delete an app from an Android device. Then look for this line. Click this to go to the app settings. If you have a dark theme, temporarily switch to a light theme and click this line. All your apps will load. Here, click show system processes. And here you'll need to scroll a little and find exactly what I just showed you. This is the app that is constantly, endlessly searching for a connection to your printer, which most likely doesn't exist. No. But if it does, then of course, leave this setting. If you don't print from your phone, then of course it's better to get rid of it. Here I found it. System Print service. Here you need to clear the storage and cache. To clear the data for this app in error and performance. Set the optimization mix to limited. So what do we do? Stop, click OK, and then disable if you have this option Ago. Click disable. Disable the app. Now as you can see, stop is already grayed out. Enable. That means the app is no longer running on your phone and is not searching for anything at all. This way you've already saved some battery life, and your phone will try it about something. Yes. Support this video with a like and subscribe to the channel.